All right, we are in Bedford, Virginia, at the old Wells Fargo building.
Let's see if anything in here is still interesting.
That's a short ceiling. Elevator through here. 2 elements. A little bit of a maze here. What the hell?
Oh, I've never seen this.
Uh-oh!
Andrew, they're making
Oh
self-storage.
dear.
What does it say?
Wait.
Oh.
Should we?
I won't.
It runs. Want to, Andrew?
It's up to if you want to go.
Yeah, let's go. Runs, but I'm not getting out. Want to go with me?
I'll wait. This is storage units now.
This thing runs just fine.
We're going to be up on the first floor.
You can go in there too.
You mean a floor above this?
Yeah.
Okay. Door closed when it works.
Hey, Sam.
Hello.
Check this out. The old bank vault is right there. Look at this.
I don't know why it said it was broken down there. Look, it used to have the sign. I think they just forgot to take it off down there.
Yeah, I think so.
This thing's working just fine.
Look at the bank vault.
Look at that. Anyway.